Hey guys, my name is Mesh, hope you're doing well, and in this video we have a lot of news to cover both about Enjin and Cardano, and as you can see on the screen, Enjin is basically setting new all-time highs every hour here, and there's a very good reason for this, which we're going to get into. Also, I'll be doing some technical analysis on Cardano near the end of the video, but I want to use this video to talk more about the fundamentals and news about Cardano. So anyways, the first thing that I want to talk about is this right here. Yesterday, Coinbase Pro tweeted, starting today, inbound transfers for 1ENJ, Enjin, NKN, and Origin Protocol are available in the regions where trading is supported. So they're finally listing Enjin and 3 other cryptocurrencies, and obviously the one I'm most excited about is ENJ. And this tweet, or the news of the listing, caused the price of Enjin to absolutely explode. You can see it went from $2 to almost $3.20 in a matter of 4, 8, 12, 16, 24 hours. So that's pretty big. Let's see what the move is here. So 52% in a matter of a day, which is absolutely huge. Enjin is a cryptocurrency that I really believe in, and I do think that it has a lot of room to go for the rest of this bull cycle. And if you guys don't already know, Enjin is a platform for gaming NFTs, and NFTs are absolutely booming right now. And I think gaming NFTs are going to be really huge in the future, and that's why I am invested and believe in Enjin in the long term. And if you guys want to learn more about Enjin and its native cryptocurrency ENJ, I actually made a video about it, so you can watch that. It should show up at the top here. So the next piece of news I have is related to Cardano and Coti. So Coti is a payment processor that is also a layer 2 scalability solution for processing cryptocurrency payments, and they recently announced that they would be adding Cardano to the list of their cryptocurrencies. So they want to allow for the processing of Cardano payments in their layer 2 solution. And they actually revealed that they were the first project to basically receive venture capital from Cardano's cFund. So cFund is a private funding firm from Cardano that funds various projects, and Coti is the first ecosystem to receive funding from cFund, which is pretty huge. It means that Cardano believes in this company and is willing to support and back them. So finance ecosystem Coti has revealed that it has secured funding from Cardano's venture capital fund. This makes Coti the first company to receive venture capital funding from the recently set up cFund. Charles Hoskinson, CEO and founder of the Cardano Foundation, announced last year that the Cardano developer house IOHK would be launching a $20 million fund for ecosystem startups. The VC fund is a 50-50 venture with Wave Financial making up the other half of the partnership. And you can see Coti here tweeted, "Thank you at IOHK Charles for the warm welcome. We are excited to join the Cardano family." And Charles here said before, "Welcome Coti to the family," which is pretty exciting. So the thing that I really like about Charles and Cardano is that they are pushing adoption, and they're using a lot of their money and resources to get people to adopt Cardano, which a lot of blockchains are not doing. They're more focused on the development side, which Cardano is definitely doing, but they're equally focused on creating the ecosystem and bringing people on board onto the family. So this is a very good example of that happening here. So the next piece of news I have for you guys is another Cardano related venture, and I'm a little bit confused on this, and I can't find a lot of clarity about this news because the Cardano mainnet isn't live. So I'm assuming they deployed this on the testnet, but I'm not really sure what's going on there. So Cardano's first supply chain application goes live, deployed in Georgian winery. The Cardano Foundation has rolled out its first supply chain traceability and anti-counterfeit solution in partnership with connected goods and products platforms Sandcrust. Kind of like VeChain, this reminds me a lot about VeChain. So VeChain is also a supply chain solution. So it's pretty exciting to see that there are already applications being built on Cardano, and obviously we're going to see a whole lot more applications when the mainnet is launched after the Alonzo hard fork later on this year, but we are already getting some applications built on Cardano, as you can see here. I'm assuming on the testnet. So the next piece of news I have for you guys, and this is probably the most exciting for this video, is that Microsoft is partnering with Enjin to bring gaming NFTs to Minecraft. And Minecraft is the most played video game in the world, so for them to be partnering up with Enjin is such a big deal, and I think this really brings a lot of credibility to Enjin. So Microsoft and Enjin bring cross-platform custom NFTs to Minecraft. Microsoft has launched a browser game that rewards players with non-fungible tokens for use inside Minecraft, one of the world's most popular games. So NFTs continue to make giant headlines, and now Minecraft and Microsoft are getting in on NFTs and are doing it through Enjin, which is super exciting, and another reason as to why I'm invested in ENJ. So now let's jump into some Cardano technicals, which I know a lot of you guys are eagerly waiting for. So I said in my last video that if we fell back beneath $1.22, that would not be a good thing, because we have actually flipped our previous support of $1.22 to $1.25 into resistance again. And this area is a very strong area of resistance here. So you can see how many times we got rejected from. So falling back beneath it was not a good thing. You can see Cardano is somewhat struggling to get past that area here. At $1.22, it got rejected once right here a few hours ago and is coming up to test it once more. The really good thing is, however, that we are still respecting this sloping area of support here on this giant pattern that is ultimately super bullish. So as you guys know, that this ascending triangle is a continuation pattern and will break out in the direction of the trend, and the trend is obviously up here, and we are coming close to the time period where this pattern is supposed to break out. So it usually breaks out at the 70% mark, which is in this area right here. So I do expect Cardano in the midterm to make a move outside of this ascending triangle, and I do expect that it will be to the upside. And as you guys know, our target to the upside is $1.80. So I definitely do think that $1.80 and potentially higher is still a very real possibility in April. And just because we've been consolidating for this long, definitely does not mean that Cardano's upward momentum is over. You can see zooming out, this is a giant bull flag and is just overall a really good consolidation pattern to be in, although it has extended for a very long period of time. But in the immediate short term, I want to see Cardano get above this area of resistance here, which it is coming to test again between $1.22 and $1.25. And I think that if we manage to breach this resistance here, we could see Cardano potentially come up to test our next resistance, which is at $1.34, and hopefully break past it this time, which you can see it did not. Last time it got rejected. And again, if we break $1.34, I do think that we're going to continue up to $1.50 and potentially make a breakout from this ascending triangle. But in the immediate short term, I want to see Cardano get above $1.22. And if we were to have another rejection to the downside, which is a very real possibility here, if we get rejected from here, we could come back down to the 21-day, which is at about $1.17 to $1.18. And if we fail that, we could come to test this sloping area of support here, which has played a crucial role for so long. But so far, Cardano is respecting that trend line, and I do not think that it's going to break it. But for your, we might see a wick beneath it, which is very possible. But just for your information, the trend line right now is at about $1.16 to $1.17. So I think it's unlikely that we break beneath that trend line, but again, that is definitely a possibility, and that would not be a good thing if we break this trend line, because you can see that it's played a very crucial role for the entirety of Cardano's consolidation pattern here. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button. Also hit subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.